everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a double unboxing. For this month, Target Beauty Boxes actually came out, I think, with 5 different boxes. And I even heard that they were in some stores. My store didn't have them, but I heard that some Target stores actually had them in the store, which was pretty exciting because Target never has their beauty boxes in the store. So again, it wasn't in my store, but if you had them in your store, that's pretty cool. So I picked my favorite 2. They had a whole bunch of different ones. Like they had one that was all face masks, which I do face masks, but not like that often. So, and you know, they had different themes to them. So I got 2 boxes. I got this one, which was a wake up and makeup. And then I got this one, which is Be Beautiful. So I'm going to open up both these boxes today. They do look a little bit different than other Target beauty boxes have. If you've seen any of my other unboxings, they were just like a white box. I think last year they were a black box, and then they turned over to a white box, and now they're doing these ones. So I don't know if this is what they're going to stick with. I don't know what their plans are. No idea. I'm going to try to open it away from the microphone. Right off the bat, it's definitely different. Okay, so it opens from the side, and I will say this, on the back of the box, it does have all of the products listed. It has it on the other box as well. All the products listed on there. I am not going to look at that. I'm going to try to open this without looking at it. Now, this is a little bit different. It opens from the side, and all of the products are in there. So, okay, this one is the Wake Up and Makeup box. So I'm going to pull the first thing out. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the Beautifully Bare Natural Glow Face Palette in Fresh and Flawless. There's the packaging. All right. Okay, wow, this is actually kind of nice packaging. Now it's reflective, but it's kind of nice. It has a fairly large mirror on the inside, and it's not bad. So there are the colors. It doesn't have any names for the colors though. So it does say apply bronzer, which I'm assuming is that one right there in the corner right here. In areas to achieve a slimming effect, such as along the sides of the nose and the hollow of the cheeks, along the jawline, etc. Use the highlighting shade on top of the cheekbones, below the brow bone, cupid's bow, and on the temples of the cheeks. Apply the blush on the apples of the cheeks for a light flush of color. So I think this one is the bronzer. I think this one is the highlight. I think. And then I think these 2 are blushes, the 2 corners. So, all right. It is plastic, but it's kind of like a sturdier plastic, so that's pretty nice. That I am not upset about. That's actually kind of nice. All right, moving on to the next item. I'm going to pull this big item out of here. Okay, so it is the Dove Dry Spray Invisible Sheer Fresh Antiperspirant. So there it is. I don't actually use antiperspirants. I do use deodorant, but not antiperspirants. I've had some skin reactions to it in the past, so I don't use this. So I think what I might do is put this in a giveaway. I'm not sure how that would ship. I mean, I guess it did ship to come to me, but I don't know. We'll see. Go ahead and take the next item out. What else is in here? I'm just going to pull a couple of things out here. It doesn't look like... Well, yes, there is a card. Hold on. Let me get the card out. Okay, so in here, there is a couple of cards, actually. There are some coupons. $3 off Honest Beauty, $1 off Dove Hair Care, and $1 off Dove Deodorant. So, and they're actually good for a couple of months. So that's pretty cool. And then it does have the card. It says, Hello Gorgeous on this side. Mornings can be rough, but your AM beauty routine doesn't have to be. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you brighten up in a flash and get you out the door a little faster. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. All right, so this one, the Natural Glow Face Palette. This says it's a 3-in-1 palette, features bronzer, highlighter, and 2 blushes, so you can sculpt your face in a flash. And then the deodorant, this is actually pretty heavy. This is 3.8 ounces. It says invisible on 100 different colors and dries instantly, so you can step out in style and in a jiff. So that's nice. Again, I just don't use antiperspirants. So, okay, this next item is definitely going to go in a giveaway. It's the Dove Refresh and Care Dry Shampoo Fresh Coconut Scent. So there's that. Okay, and it says weightless formula, absorbs excess oil, reviving hair between washes, so day-old locks go from limp to lush. I am jealous of people who can use those. I've tried them a couple of different ways, and it's just no, my hair can't handle. All right, the next item is from Sonia Kashik. This is a quick dry makeup brush wipe. It's a single brush wipe, but here is the package. Okay, and this says individually wrapped quick dry wipes clean makeup brushes on the go and allow you to color change in a cinch. So I'll give it a try. I do actually have some from, it's either ELF or it might be NYX. I don't know. I have some from, I think it might be ELF. It's either ELF or NYX. And I'm not a big fan of them. They're very alcohol scented, and I don't know. I've used them before. I still have the packaging and I still have them, but they're not my favorite. All right. This next item is from CoverGirl. It is their Peacock Flare Mascara in the color Black Noir. Okay. And this says, feather fan brush separates and catches each lash for maximum length in just a swipe. I'll give it a try. I don't know that I've ever tried a CoverGirl mascara before. I'm not sure. All right, there's two more items in here. I'm just going to pull them both out. So that's an empty box right there. All right, this actually makes me pretty happy. I know they're inexpensive, but I love these things. The ELF Beautifully Bare Blending Brush. So there it is. I actually have a couple of ELF brushes. I really like them. I think they're very high quality for the price that you pay for them. I just like them. And this says it's a unique brush head with ultra fine bristles, provides even streak-free coverage on first application. I'm going to go ahead and actually open this item up to see what it feels like. I do, though. I know I like ELF brushes. My biggest problem is I did not expect this. Look at how tiny. It's a wee little tiny one, but it is super soft. Oh my gosh, that's soft. Yeah, I really like the ELF brushes a lot. And they're very cost effective. I like them a lot. Okay. The size of that was unexpected, but nonetheless, I do like getting brushes. And the last thing in here is from Honest Beauty. They are refreshingly clean makeup remover wipes. There they are. All right. And the card says, rich blend of grapeseed and olive oils lifts away yesterday's excess smudges and residue, leaving a clean canvas for your morning makeup. There you go. So this box was $7. And there's a lot of stuff in here. There are 7 Honest Beauty wipes, the brush, the dry shampoo, the deodorant or antiperspirant, the Natural Glow palette, which is what drew me to this box, the CoverGirl mascara, and the brush wipe. There are 7 items in here, and I paid $7 for this box. So that's pretty good. All right, I'm going to go ahead into this next box. Looking at the back, there are actually 8 items in this box. Still $7. They were both $7. All right, so this one was Be Beautiful. Go ahead and get the box open from the side again. Okay. All right. And there is everything in this box. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to get the card out first. Those are the coupons. There's the card. Okay, I've got the card and the coupons. So this has, wow, this has more coupons than the other one did. This has one for Honest Beauty, a one for Nexus, a L'Oreal, Simple Facial Care, and Ollie Vitamins. So that's kind of nice. So this says, hello, be a beautiful. Mama always said beauty comes from within. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that let you shine. Whatever your style and no matter your mood, try them out. And if you love them as much as we do, find the full versions at target.com/beautybox. So I'm just going to go ahead in and grab something out. Let's start with this one. This is from Nexus. It is a Carafix Damage Healing Conditioner. Okay, for severely damaged hair. And I do have damaged hair. So here's the packaging. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and smell it. It smells nice. I can't really place the scent, but it smells nice. All right, next item. I think this might be the pair. Yep. So this is the same product in the shampoo. Again, for severely damaged hair. All right. So that's nice. I got a shampoo and conditioner. They are both 3 fluid ounces. All right, let's pull the next item out. Okay, so this is from Ollie. This is Undeniable Beauty for hair, skin, and nails. There's 1 serving in here, and it's grapefruit glam. So I'm assuming that it is grapefruit flavored. There's 2 gummies per day. So there are 2 little gummies in here. All right. Go ahead and get the next item out. All right, this one is from e.l.f. Gotta love e.l.f. This is the Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Pink. Here is the package. Okay. Now this is kind of stinky. So the actual product stops right here. So this whole section of the package is just kind of wasted space. I'm not quite sure why they did that. And then this whole bottom part. So like literally this product is like that big. I don't know. That is quite the pink color. The packaging is nice on this though. I don't know if they're changing their packaging, but all right. So that is actually, it's darkening up on my hand as it sits. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. It's literally just kind of like a gloss. And it does look like the camera's picking it up, but it's just a very light pink. And it definitely darkened up. Like when I first put it on there, it was translucent. I will give that a try. It's a pretty color, but again, it darkened up as it sat. So it's one of those that does respond to your body temperature. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Pure Clay Cleanser Detox Bright Clay to Mousse. Okay. There it is. All right, and I just realized I haven't been reading to you from the card. So we're going to go ahead and read the Nexus first. The shampoo and conditioner. I'm just going to pick these up together and read them both to you. So it says for the shampoo, collagen and keratin amino acids repair damaged strands for softer, stronger, healthier looking hair from root to tip. And for the conditioner, it says fortifying formula strengthens and infuses shine for luscious locks. So that's the Nexus. The e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Pink reacts with the chemistry of lips to deliver a personalized shade of pink, berry, or peach, while the moisturizing formula keeps your pout kissable. So I guess whatever is in my chemistry makes it pink, but other people's make it berry or peach. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's kind of neat. The L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. It's a clay to mousse charcoal cleanser, sloughs away impurities, brightening dull skin so you can always put your best face forward. And then the Ollie. It's the Undeniable Beauty Gummy. Healthy hair, strong nails, and dewy skin start at the cellular level. Gummies packed with biotin, borage oil, and antioxidants help you look your best 24/7. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pull the next item out. I only have a couple of them left. Let's go ahead and take this one out. So this is the Simple Brand Micellar Makeup Remover eye pads. I've never tried the eye pads. I do have some of their makeup remover wipes, and they're pretty good. So I will give those a try, definitely. I'm actually kind of excited about that. This says Micellar bubbles gently yet effectively cleanse skin around eyes, leaving the area refreshed and soothed. All right, I'm going to definitely use those tonight, actually, I think, when I go to take my makeup off. Okay, I've got 2 more things in here, so I'm going to pull them both out. They are, that one is interesting. Let's do the non-interesting thing first. So this one's kind of interesting. It's Honest Beauty Younger Faced Deep Hydration Cream. Here is the package. All right, and the card says the Daikon Radish Seed Oil helps your skin stay supple, while Baobab Seed, I'm pronouncing these completely wrong, I'm sure, provides antioxidant benefits that get you glowing stat. Okay, and then the last item in here is from Sinful Nail Color. I got Galaxy. I don't know that I've ever had something like this before. It's interesting, but I personally have never used it before. So I'm going to show it to you first. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. I've just never used anything quite like this before. So this is literally like just glitter suspended in nail polish. That's interesting. Definitely smells like nail polish, that's for sure. Okay, so it says you could have gotten Galaxy or Wonderment, and I got Galaxy. Bold, vibrant color that completes your outfit and expresses your mood. Okay. So that's kind of neat. I've just never used anything like that before. This might go in a giveaway just because I don't really wear nail polish, but all right. So in this box, the Be Beautiful box, I got a shampoo and conditioner, which is nice. The nail polish, which is interesting. The Honest Beauty Younger Faced Deep Hydration Cream, the L'Oreal mask, the e.l.f. lip tint, the Ollie Beauty gummies or vitamins, and the Micellar Makeup Remover eye pads, which I think this is probably the thing I'm most excited about in this box. I don't know. I like the shampoo and conditioner too. So $7, 8 items. I have to say that of all my boxes, I think Target is probably the most bang for your buck almost. I mean, I know like BoxyCharm, you pay $21 and you get like $100 and something worth of products. This I paid $7 for, and I know I got $7 worth out of it. I know I got more than $7. It's not $100 by any stretch of the imagination, but I get to try a lot of little things that I don't normally get in other beauty boxes, which is why I kind of really liked my Look Fantastic box about a year ago when it was giving me a variety of things and not just skincare. I don't know. I just kind of like it. I think it's kind of neat. I don't know. All right. So there you go. I had a total of 15 items between the 2 boxes. I had 8 in the Beautiful box and 7 in the Wake Up and Makeup box. I think personally that the Wake Up and Makeup box, I got a better value. I got more like products that I will use. Yeah, I don't know. I like the Target box. The biggest complaint that I have about Target is that it's not a subscription. So there you go. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Did you get any Target Beauty boxes? Again, there were 5 of them this month, so there was a wide variety that you could have gotten. I haven't gone online to see. Maybe there's some still available. I'm just not sure. But give them a try if you'd like it. They usually come out, well, I used to say they usually come out like the 1st or 2nd of the month, but then they changed to like the 1st Monday of the month. But then this month, I think it was different. So basically the beginning of the month, I start stalking the Target website. So anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.